Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into StudentAid.gov, manage FAFSA and loans step by step clearly. Gov to manage your FAFSA and federal student loans. Open your web browser on a computer or phone you trust. Type StudentAid.gov in the address bar and press enter. Check that the website address shows StudentAid.gov to avoid fake sites. On the top right of the page, click Login. Choose whether you are logging in as a student, parent, or borrower if the site asks. On the Federal Student Aid FSA login page, click Login under the FSA ID section. Enter your FSA ID username or the email connected to your FSA ID. Enter your FSA ID password carefully, watching for caps lock. Click the Login button to continue. If you see multi-factor authentication, choose a method like text message, email, or authenticator app. Enter the verification code you receive and submit it. If you forgot your username, click Forgot Username and follow the prompts to recover it. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and reset it using your email or phone. If you do not have an FSA ID, click Create an account and complete the identity and contact steps. After logging in, look for the dashboard or your account homepage. To manage FAFSA, select Complete the FAFSA form or FAFSA from the menu. Choose the correct FAFSA year and click Start New Form or Continue if you already began. Review your personal information and confirm your contact details are correct. Check your student aid report or FAFSA submission summary if it is available. To manage loans, click My Aid to view your federal aid and loan history. Open the Loans section to see each loan type, amount, and current status. Click a specific loan to view the loan servicer name and contact information. Use the servicer link or contact details to set up payments or update repayment plans. If you need to complete insurance counseling, find it under Complete Aid Process and start it. If you need to sign a master promissory note, select it and follow the signing steps. Update your profile information, like address and phone number, in your account settings when needed. Log out when you are finished, especially on shared or public devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.